Okay, so now let us take a look at this question. So with this question, we've been asked to find the value of x. Now to solve for the value of x in this case, now to do this, I am going to introduce a third line. This is the third line I introduced, and this line over here is parallel to the other two lines. So they are parallel. So it is parallel to this and this. Now I can get the z shape. So this is my first z shape. So meaning if this angle over here is 35, then this over here should also be 35. Then I can now consider this line and this line. I just extended the second parallel line. Now if this is 130, then this over here should be 50. Then I can draw the second Z shape. So I can have this over here as the second Z shape. So this is going to be 50. So therefore this is 50. They are alternate angles. So now this whole thing over here is what makes the X over there. So the diagram looks like this. So this and this are alternate angles, and this are alternate angles as well. So therefore 35 plus the 50 is what makes the angle X. So therefore the X is equal to 85 degrees. And that is the answer.